Hello dear student, very good morning to all of you. So first I am taking this class first time in my new digital board. So one of our student asked me once what is the meaning of this diagram. So today I am going to explain what is the meaning of diagram. If there is a question what is the significance or what are the significance or what are the importance of different terms in relationship and value to attitude, value to morals or ethics, or what is the significance of values, or how the value is related to different things. So you can use this diagram to explain everything in a very good way. So first thing that we are going to see about the value. What is value? Value are the worth that we attach to something. Value is formed because of repeated, whenever you believe something and repeatedly practice that, that is what led to the development of value. Let's take an example. If you value that maintaining cleanliness, if you practice on a daily basis, then your belief became hardcore belief and that turns into your values. Okay. So this value, whenever you held at the individual level, whenever you held value at the individual level, for example, if I am having the value of cleanliness, so that is what my morals. Okay, value at the individual level is called as morals, and same value whenever held at the societal level we can call it as societal ethics or ethics of the society. For example, if you see Japanese society, they value cleanliness to a very high, their society is driven by maintaining surrounding clean. So we can say Japan society ethics of Japan society is about maintaining surrounding cleanliness. Okay? And what is the relationship between morals and ethics? You can see morals is influencing the ethics and ethics is influencing morals, because we all are part of the society. So whatever our values, whatever our belief system, definitely going to impact our society. For example, if individual believe in hard work, definitely that is going to have, society will have a good value or good ethics for hard work. Okay. So same thing you can say ethics is also influence our morals. Dekho, we all are part of the society and all the things we are learning from the society. So whatever may be the social ethics, so that definitely that is what also have our morals. I am giving an example. People who born and brought up in a patriarchal society, social ethics at that time, social custom, tradition is patriarchy. So definitely individuals morals also driven by the patriarchy, and that person will not promote women empowerment. So that is what there is a relationship between these three terms. Value. So whenever you held value at the individual levels, we call this as a morals. Whenever you held value at the societal level, we call this as ethics. And the morals influence our ethics. Ethics is also influence our morals, because we all are part of the society, and society is also influence us. We also influence the society. For example, I am giving an example during Renaissance period. So Raja Rama Mohan Rai influenced our society by bringing lot of reforms. Same thing, some of good things of our society influence us. For example, that we worship nature, we help others. So this is what social ethics also help in development of our morals. Okay, that is what relationship. The next is how value is related to attitude. So repeatedly, let's say attitude is your neural state of readiness that predispose you to behave either in favor or against of a person, place or things, or etc. etc. So if you value hard work, so if you see a person who is doing lot of hard work, definitely you will have positive attitude towards that person. Okay. On the other hand, you are having an value of hard work, but you are seeing a person who is very lazy and not able to do anything because of laziness. So you will have negative attitude towards that person. So we can say that our value is also influence our attitude also. Okay. So next, how this morals help in development of character. So whenever you are holding some morals at the individual level, for example, you are having a morals of punctuality. You believe that those who are coming at the right time, they are good. Those who are coming at the late, not in right time, they are not good. So we can say that moral always attach yes, good or bad, right or wrong. So that is what literally we can characterize, or we can say that this person having good character, this person is having bad character. If a person is not having good morals, we can call this person having bad character. If a person is having good morals, we can call this person having good character. So morals help in defining character of a person. So next, ethics. Okay. So whenever our society is having certain ethics, for example, in our society, if it is said that there is let's say our society is driven by let's say vegetarian. For example, take the example of Bishnoi society. Bishnoi society, they worship the nature, they don't kill animals. So that means their social norms is to protect the animals, and Bishnoi community, they died in protecting natures. So their social norms is against killing, harming the nature. So we can say ethics is also giving yes or right or wrong, but on the societal scale, but morals is giving at the individual scales. So social norms actually driven what is right that we have to do and what is wrong that is prohibited. So in Bishnoi community, if anyone try to damage the nature, so they will not spare them. So that is what we can say. So ethics provides us a norms of behaving in a good and bad way. Okay. So this is the relationship between the diagram. Hope it is helpful to everyone. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe to my channel, and please do share this video with your friends so the large number of students can benefit from it. Chaliye dear student, bye bye, take care, Jai Hind.